How to add music to an Instagram feed post. And today in this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram feed post. So let's get started. To add music to an Instagram feed post, begin by creating your post as normal. Note that this feature only works with a single image. When you get to the posting stage, tap Add Music. Now find a song you'd like to add to your post. You can browse the featured tracks or search for the specific song. Tap the play button next to the song title to preview it, and then tap the song name to add it to your post. Tap the number on the left to choose how long of the song clip you want to have over your video. You can then use the slider to pick what part of the song you want to use. When you're finished, tap Done. Then you can go ahead and share your Instagram post as normal. When people view your post, either in the feed or in your profile, the song you have chosen will play over your post. When the song clip you have added ends, the audio clip will loop back to the beginning. People can mute the song by tapping the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your post. And that's all it takes to add music to an Instagram feed post. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.